Hi, it's time for another math easy solution. Today I'm going to go over a very interesting video, and that's on making YouTube summaries with an AI agent on the Hive blockchain. And yeah, this is going to be a very interesting video. So the Hive user might possibly created an amazing artificial intelligence or AI agent to summarize any YouTube video that has a transcript and post the summary directly on the Hive blockchain as a series of comments. This makes the summary immutable, censorship resistant, and public, which provides any AI model with basic public data to train on. And here are the steps to using it. So you'll have to subscribe to Might_possibly with $5 Hive-backed dollars or HBD on InLeo. There's the link to his profile right there, Might_possibly. I'll go over it all soon. And this just means sending 5 HBD to Leo subscriptions with the memo subscribe : Might_possibly. And you also get unlimited summaries, so you could test it all out for a month and see if you like it. I really like it, and I'll be using it for all of my videos. And here's a screenshot from my wallet. Just this was 4 days ago. Sent to Leo subscriptions, 5 HBD, and then subscribe : Might_possibly. And then once you subscribe, all you have to do is type exclamation point and then the YouTube video that you want to summarize. And basically can use any YouTube video, any video that has a transcript that hasn't already been summarized. And if it has been summarized, you get a link to the previous summary if it has. And can use any Hive front end such as peakd.com right here. So it doesn't need to be InLeo. You could use it anywhere, InLeo, eSency, or Peaked or whatnot, or Hive.blog and whatever front ends. Or you can make your own front end and we'll pick that up as well, I assume. Yeah, because all the data gets on the Hive blockchain, so you could use any one you want. And then the ai-summaries bot or summaries agent bot posts the summaries using the ai-summaries or ai-summaries account. And this is the account right here, and you can see all of the summaries that is currently making in real time. So there it is. There's the account. And if you don't have a Hive account, create one using my InLeo referral code. There's the link. Alright, let's just jump right in now. So this is the Might_possibly account, so you have to click subscribe here. So once you click subscribe, I'm already subscribed, what it will ask you to send the 5 HBD to Leo subscriptions. And basically you'll go to your wallet. Here I'm using a Peaked wallet right here. You could use inside InLeo. And then you go to, not the Hive, you send the HBD. So you go here and then send HBD, and then basically type in Leo subscriptions, etc. And then also the memo, subscribe : Might_possibly. Anyway, so you do that, and I'm already done that, and then you just go to any YouTube video. This is my earlier video. This is an hour and 27 minutes. So what I'll do is take this. This is on cellular respiration. This is a biology video. So we take this right here, and then this is on. I posted on 3Speak right here. So I'll go in the comment. So now it's not only it's going to be uploaded. I have one on 3Speak, but then we'll go in here in the just underneath here and just click summarize. And then put the YouTube link there, and then we'll do this in real time, so we'll see how long it lasts right now. Okay, so I did that right here, and let's just see how long it will take before we get some replies here. And this should be the AI summary bot should do it. And I actually tried recording 3 days ago, but I think it was and then it wasn't working because they were the Might_possibly was doing some updates or something on it. But anyways, it should work soon. I'm doing this real time, so I haven't double checked. Let's see how long it will take. Yeah, just to check how long it will take, and we'll go to. So, anyways, here's the AI summaries while we wait. Just to give a real time view of how long it takes. So this one here, you can see all of his posts, and click on replies or comments. So this is the AI summary bot, and let's see the last comment right here. So yeah, a few seconds ago, there it is. Yeah, so you can see a few seconds ago. These are all the ones I just said, cellular respiration, and we'll go back here. We should have just a few seconds ago, so it posted all of it here, and we'll go read a tiny bit here. We'll just read the headlines. Yeah, so there's the notification. So it does really quick. And we'll go right here. So summarize, and then underneath it, replies, part 1, understanding cellular respiration. And it basically uses the transcript of me talking, and then basically puts that in a summary. So cellular respiration is a vital metabolic process that allows organisms to convert chemical energy from nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, or ADP, the energy currency of the cell. And it keeps going on. And it even makes a a list right here of the 4 main stages of cellular respiration: glycolysis, putrefact oxidation, citric acid cycle, and so on. And again, you could double check these inside the video and so on. But again, this is now on the blockchain and it's immutable. Nobody can modify it or anything, so you can't change what happened in history. And basically, Hive is like a giant text database layer of the internet, and you could store pretty much, all of human history eventually, I think, in text form. Anyways, so that is all. And then, so there's AI summaries, and also use my referral code, get on the Hive blockchain. I might do a video tutorial on the Hive / full live stream on it. Anyways, that is all for today, and thanks for watching. And I'll put all the links in the description below as well. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another math easy solution.